Hi guys, welcome back to another channel. In today's video, it's going to be something game related, Pokemon in particular. I got the Ultra Premium Collection, the Scarlet and Violet edition, and honestly, I never knew about this until I went into GameStop to just look at some games and I saw it right there on the front counter. It was so nice. Now, the salesperson, I'm not gonna lie, they did a good job because at first I was like, I don't want to pay $100 for this. But then they kept talking about it, and I was like, you know what? This is nostalgic to me because all the cards are there. And when I was little, I used to play Pokemon all the time, like the Pokemon cards. And I used to trade cards with friends and everything in elementary school. Like, you think Pokemon is popular now. Back then, it was almost like you was doing deals, okay, on the playground, trading cards. It was something serious. So when he told me that all the cards were included, I don't know, all my memories just came rushing back and I just had to get it. I thought it over for like 5 minutes and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. So I did. Now it did retail for I want to say 119, I think, but I had a couple of coupons, so I got it like around $100, like a little over 100, so it knocked a little bit off. But first, I want to start with the look of this box. This box is so beautiful. Look at the colors. Look at how it's put together and the presentation. I think my favorite part of the box is the holographic kind of accent and detail on the box, especially on Mew. It is so, so cute. I really, really am happy with my purchase. Now, honestly, I'm not like a collector or anything, so I don't plan to just let it sit and be cute. I actually wanted to get back into playing with the Pokemon cards and trying the trading card game again. I just really forgot how to do it, so I have to research again and figure out how to play. But I actually want to use these cards and play with my husband, and we can both just play. It'll be really fun. So look at this box, guys. Look at the holo accent details. It is so pretty. And then all the little like dots you see aren't just dots. They're like different silhouettes of Pokemon. So it's just, oh my God, it is so adorable. I'm so glad I purchased this. So when you open the box, you're greeted with this very nice organized layout. But what caught my attention was the three cards at the top of the box. I was like, what are these? So I decided to look at these first. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these three cards first because I was like, what are these? So, I haven't seen the new Pokemon cards in a while. So, honestly, I didn't know some of them came with like scenes on there. Like, you see a whole house, the Pokemon's flying in the sky. It's a whole little scene going on. I didn't know that these cards started coming like this. How cute is that? And then I'm over here trying to figure out how to get this other card out. Eventually, I do figure it out, but I go to the right first and I look at the other card. So I noticed that all these cards are just different Mew and Mewtwo cards. So they're so cute. But I think the thing that got me the most was the card in the middle. So the card in the middle is not just any trading card. It's made of so kind of like metal. Like it's a hard card that you can't bend. And I'm thinking that it's probably for, I don't know, to display or something. So I decided to put it in my planner and it's going to be my little good luck card that, it's just my good luck card. Why not? So I thought it would be cute to just go in my planner. Also, I thought about sitting it on my desk. I don't know yet, but I am going to display it somewhere where it's nice and out in the open and I can see it every day because it's such a pretty card. But these three cards definitely caught my attention. I thought they were so cute and honestly, I think they're like one of my favorite cards out of the whole box. Like all three cards are my favorite. So here I am trying to figure out how to put this mess back because this box is so curated. It's really nice. Like, look how organized this is. You got all the card packs nice and organized. It comes with game chips. You got a little deck box to put your cards in. Like, it's really, really nice. And it actually comes with a play mat as well. So I want to talk about this deck box. It matches the theme of the box. That is so cute. That is so cute. Now, I do wish that it had like the holo accents and all that, like the box, but it's still super cute. So the deck box, because I did try to put cards in there, it doesn't hold all the cards, like all 151 cards. I don't know. I thought it did, but it doesn't, just so you know. But yeah, I just simply like this little box. I don't even know if I'm going to use it to hold cards. Right now it's holding like play pieces and some of the cards, but I don't know if I'm going to really use it for that. But I think it's great for when I want to travel around and my cards can be protected. So I think that's really good. So it also comes with these really cute play chips. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't know how this works at all. Like, I really don't. So I will have to research and figure out how to use them. But first, look at these, especially the Mew one. It is so pretty. Look how sparkly it is. It's so adorable. I have no idea what to do with these, so I got to figure it out. But I see they got a couple of types right there, like fire and I think it's ghost, I think. And then they have these really cute dye. Like I love that they're pink, just like Mew. So now I'm kind of curious because I'm sure there's other collector boxes out there. I guess I just need to research and look it up and see what else is out there now because I didn't know that I would love this and get this. Look at these little die. Oh my God, they're so cute. They're so adorable. I didn't even know that you're supposed to use dice and stuff. Like, what? I gotta do better. So, I just wanted to show what's in the middle first because that caught my attention the most after the cards. So, the other thing that also caught my attention is that the detail of this box is amazing, but also it comes with a play mat. I didn't even know that you needed a mat to play. I thought you just play on the floor or on the table. That's what I'm used to. But when I saw this mat, I was like, oh, this is nice. So honestly, I'm going to be real. I'm probably not going to use it as a play mat. I'm probably going to use it for like a desk mat to like move my mouse on, put my computer on. I think I'm going to do that because this is so cute. And I think it'll be a cute addition to my room decor. Since my room is pink, Mew is pink, and I like Pokemon, like why not? This mat is so soft. It is a nice size. Honestly, I thought it was going to be bigger because they said it's a play mat, but then again, I have no idea how this works because I haven't played Pokemon in like 2 decades. And I'm talking about the cards. Video games, from time to time, I'll still play. But it comes with this lovely mat. I like the game chips. I like the die. I like the deck box so far. It is just so nice. So now, of course, the main attraction of the box, which is why I got it, is all the trading cards. Now, I was kind of looking at videos a little bit, not too many because I don't like to be spoiled. I like to just see it on my own. But I think all of these boxes are randomized, I think. So I know when some people were looking, they were showing their cards and just trying to see like what kind of cards they got. So I decided to do the same thing. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys all the cards I have in here. But first, I wanted to just show the contents of the pack because when I opened one of the packs, it came with a whole like QR code and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, okay. Oh, and here comes the nostalgia because I see they didn't change how Pokemon cards look in the back, which is really good because I think that is a staple of a Pokemon card. Like, that's how you know it's a Pokemon card. And then as far as the front, I do remember having like some of these cards, but the thing is, I feel like they just look a little different. Like I said, some of these cards have whole scenes and stories on them. Like, what? Anyways, I think these cards are really nice. I don't think I've ever had this many cards, but I did have a lot of cards. And some of these cards even come holo. Like, what? I didn't even know that they can come holo like that. So that's nice. And then I'm just putting it in a deck box because I just want to show you guys how it look in a deck box. That's simply it. Like I said, I probably won't keep my cards in there. I don't know yet. I'm still actually trying to decide. But anyway, on to the next part of the video, which is me just showing you all my cards. I'm going to flip through all of them, and I guess you guys can see which ones I got. Let me know which ones are super special or whatever. None of them might not be special. I'm okay with that. I just wanted some Pokemon cards. So let me go ahead and show you all the cards I have and enjoy the rest of the video. Now, some of these cards I don't remember from back in the day. So I've been noticing some cards that show a Pokemon trainer or some kind of person to help, and then some cards that show like a route. So I was like, what are these? I gotta go back and read through the cards. But I wanted to point out that's something new to me. Could have been out for a long time, but help me remember. I don't remember when Pokemon cards did first come out. I don't think they had like the trainers and the routes and stuff. I think it was just the Pokemon and then, their little power booster things. Oh, and another thing with those kind of cards, some of them come holographic. I didn't even know that. Like, look at this card right here. Holographic. Nice. So it's just like, okay. These are so nice. These are the nicest cards I've ever had. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed looking at the cards as much as I did. Like I said, I'm not a collector, so I have no idea if any of them are kind of special or not. So if you saw any that stood out, let me know down below. I'm actually curious. Also, if there's other kind of collection boxes and stuff, also let me know down below. Like, what kind do you own? Do you still even play Pokemon at all? Like, I'm just curious. Tell me, what's your Pokemon experience? Let me know down below. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye guys.